Okay, so once we found our one hole, then I went ahead and put a level on the top. And we marked our second hole once it was level. Right there. Mark that with a pencil. So we have our 2 marks. Now this set came with these wall anchors. I don't really like these because they tend to pull out of the wall, especially if you have a paper towel holder. You're pulling the paper towels and you don't want these to come out of the wall. So these are my little friends here. They work much better. So you punch them into the sheetrock and then you screw them in, and they probably hold 5 times greater than the other one. So we're going to punch a hole. Oh, unless there's a stud right there. There's no stud there.
Oh.
Sounds like there's a stud there. So we're going to punch a hole right here on this one with our screwdriver. Okay.
Oh.
And then we take our sheetrock anchor. And we just screw this right into the sheetrock. Okay, there's one. Now, our next screw is going to be right here. And I believe it's going to be close. There's probably a stud there, so we'll see what happens, right? Oh, no, we missed the stud. Okay. Let's get our anchor in there. It sounded like there was a stud there, but there wasn't. Probably over just a hair. All right, so those are nice and tight in there. We take our screws. Hopefully they go through here. Oh, they do. Let's start getting one in here. Okay. We'll screw it in all the way. Look at that, it's perfect. The hole's right there. Almost like I planned it like that. And here's the second screw. Okay, before you get it tightened in all the way, if you wanted to make it perfectly level, which I do, you have a little bit of play like that. So we're going to get our level back on there. And looks like it's down just a hair there. Okay, that's right where we want it, right there. So now we're going to screw it in. And this one. Okay, that is pretty darn good. Now, the test of the paper towel. Inside in here. And there we go. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day out there.